What's up, everybody? Now let's unbox the Omen 15, the gaming notebook, guys. This is not my notebook, this is my cousin's notebook, but I had to unbox it for you because it's really nice looking laptop, and it's very nice to actually to have it in few days in my home and to compare it to other notebooks that I have. So what we have here, this is the Omen 15, of course. I don't know how I'm gonna take this thing out. I don't know. I have to do a crazy flip. Oh yeah, there you go. And looks like a Lamborghini, to be honest, like Ferrari. Look at this exhaust. Look at these exhausts, guys. Wow, wow. Let me just put this thing over here. It's it's not heavy and it's not light. It's somewhere between. So we have right here. Oops. We have the charging ports. This is the charging. It's kind of small. It's nice size. It's not big. It's not like the other gaming phone that comes with bulky stuff that you cannot even carry with your backpack. But this one is really easy to carry around. So this is really good. One of the things that you can have. Actually, excuse me, this tripod. We just put it in a good position. So I won't annoy you. There you go. Okay. That's it about the box, guys. It's very simple. So just the charging port and the laptop. Nothing much. Because it's a gaming phone, as you know. You don't need to put anything else, even the chassis. So that's a 15-inch screen gaming laptop, guys. And let me just show you how it's so big. It's so big. The screen is kind of, it's kind of bendy, but you have to be careful sometimes dealing with the screen. So there you go, guys. This is metal. It's plastic on the back, plastic on the side. The exhausts are plastic, of course, but other than that, we have good layout hand. So it's really easy to type on it. It's really nice. It's beautiful. And the trackpad here is very nice as well. It's clicky. So we have the right and left are very clicky. It's not comfortable. Sometimes these clicky make noises. This one doesn't. Listen to this. I don't hear anything. Do you? But this is the good thing about it. You have a quiet keyboard. So if you're staying at the library, for example, and you're typing, there is no noise. This is one of the best things you can have it. Also, clicking at the right and left buttons of the trackpad over here, there is no noise. So very quiet laptop for for a gaming laptop. Very crazy. We have this also the 144 refresh rate screen. It's very fast when you're playing video games. This one equipped with the GTX 1050 Ti. And it has the latest processor i7. Let me just show you. Yeah, this is the latest processor i7 8750H. So there you go. Let's see the IOs. So on the right we have USB-A and the charging. That's it. That's what we have on the right. Okay, on the left we have a micro SD card, which is really good. We have also USB, this is the USB 3.0, a headphone, and a microphone. Now on the back, oh yeah, it's kind of heavy now. I'm just talking about it. We have this Lamborghini exhaust over here, really buff, like really strong fans, big fans over here. And what else we have here? We have a USB Type-C to Thunderbolt over here. We have also HDMI. We have the what is this? Yeah, so we have also USB 3.0 and also an Ethernet. So this is really good packaged computer, really nice, very fast. So what I'm gonna do with this, as you can see, this is the unboxing of the Omen 15 from HP. What I'm gonna do now, or in the next video, I'm gonna compare this one and do some benchmarks between when it comes to video rendering between this laptop and the Asus ZenBook that I just bought, the 433F, with the old ASUS ZenBook, which is in 2014. There was i5 processor, very slow one. So we're talking about dual core, oldest dual core from 2014. This ASUS ZenBook, the newest that I just bought, it has 4 cores, and this one has 6 cores. So we're going to compare it with video rendering, video editing, etc. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please like and subscribe, share, and see you guys later.